What's going on, everybody? Cackinballs here again. This time I'm going to do a gut shot video. This is for a Rockford Fosgate Punch 250.2, and I've already got everything loosened up here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the bottom case off. I hooked this up earlier and it did power on, but there's power on one of these works, the other one doesn't. I'm a little curious. I just noticed this. There's plus and minus marks written or drawn in marker here. So I'm wondering if this didn't have an issue prior. Anyway, basically what we're doing is we're going to do a gut shot video. So I'll go ahead and I'll bring this in, and I'll try to go slow so everybody can see. Maybe you guys see something that I don't. Basically, power's on, and there is, whenever you hook up a speaker to it, it makes a horrible noise, throws the speaker out, basically locks it up, and a lot of fun sparks coming from the speaker terminals. So sub is fine, everything works. With the sub, just the amplifier has issues with it. So we'll bring it down this way. And I'm going to assume that the issue is probably somewhere in here. I'm not 100% sure. None of the caps or anything's domed or popped out. Doesn't seem to be anything really going on with it funky-wise, but head back down into here. Let me zoom in. Kind of a boring video. Anyway, eventually I'll get this all buttoned back up and I'll send it out to Freeman's in I think it's North Carolina. That's who I have do all my amplifier repairs. So once again, gut shot video. This is for the Rockford Fosgate Punch Power 250.2. Picked this up off of eBay. Probably going to get it fixed up. May sell it to a buddy, may sell it. Just depends. I don't have good luck selling amplifiers anymore. It seems like the market's kind of dropped on them, but if I can get my money back out of it, I guess it's okay. So have a good one, guys.